Hello students, in last videos we have seen the concepts of network elements such as uh, R, L, C and their series parallel combination in previous videos. Now we are going to solve numericals based on that components and videos. So first one, a resistance of 100 ohm is directly switched on across a 10 volt battery. What is the current through a resistor and how much is the power loss? And also find the energy consumed in a 5 seconds. So we have given data R equal to 100 ohms, V equal to 10 ohms. So we need to find R, I. So we will use Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So I will be V by R. So manipulating this we will get 1 by 10 ampere as a current. Now second point, how much is the power loss? Power loss is given by P equal to I square R. So we have I equal to 1 by 10 ampere. So we will put it in this formula, and R is also given. So we will get by calculating 1 watt. Now third point, find the energy consumed in a 5 second. So W equal to PT we have formula. So P equal to 1 watt and T equal to 5 seconds. So we will get 5 joules. Second one, a strength of current in a 1 Henry inductor changes at the rate of 1 ampere per second. So L equal to 1 Henry and di by dt is strength of current is changing at the rate of 1 ampere per second, means 1 ampere of current will flow in 1 second. So in 2 seconds 2 ampere current will flow. Then we need to find the voltage across the inductor and determine the magnitude of energy stored in inductor after 2 seconds. So we will find V. So V equal to L di by dt. It's simply a product of L and di by dt. So we will get 1 volt by this formula. Simple calculation. Now for 2 seconds we have current as 2 amperes. So we need to find energy. Energy is given by 1 by 2 Li square. Now we will put these values. L equal to 1 Henry and I equal to 2 ampere. So I square equal to 2 square. So by simply calculating we will get E equal to 2 joules. Third numerical, a capacitor has a capacitance of 5 microfarad equal to 5 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Calculate the stored energy in it if DC voltage of 100 volt is applied across it. Now in this problem, if capacitor is fully charged, voltage will be 100 volts. Then the capacitance will be 5 microfarad with its full capacity. Now we have to calculate the energy stored. So E equal to 1 by 2 CV square, we have formula. So we will simply put these values. C equal to 5 microfarad and V equal to 100 ohm in this equation. So we will get 1 by 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 6 into 100 square. So by simply calculating this we will get E equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 joules. Next one, we have this circuit diagram. We need to find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. So we will go step by step. So how to calculate the equivalent resistance? So start at this terminal and we have 2 ohm and 2 ohm are parallel to each other. So we will calculate the equivalent of these two as this one. So we will get 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 2 means reciprocal of equivalent resistance is sum of reciprocals. 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So we will get by that formula. So we will get this 1 ohm. Now simply add these two as they are series connected. So we will get 3 plus 1 equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4 ohm. Now these two are in parallel, so we will get 4 and 4 are in parallel, so we will calculate by this step, so we will get 2 ohm. Next, series parallel combination of inductor. We need to find the equivalent inductance between A and B. So step 1, we have this circuit, 4 Henry and 4 Henry are in parallel, so we will calculate the equivalent of these. It is similar to calculation of equivalent resistance, same formulas, so we will get 4 parallel 4 equal to 2 Henry. Then these are the series combinations, so we will simply add this and we will get 2 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 5 Henry. This resistance and inductance calculations are same, so parallel combination of these two we will calculate and we will get it as 2 Henry. Now next one, it is the last problem. So we have this circuit, we need to find the equivalent capacitance of the circuit between terminal A and B. C B equal to question mark. So these two are in series, so here it is a reverse thing, that if two resistors are connected in series, then we simply add up, but here it is reverse. Here if parallel connected capacitors are there, we add up a parallel capacitors. So for series capacitors we get it is similar to parallel combination of resistor. So this 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad are series connected, so we will calculate its equivalent capacitance by this formula, 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. So we will get a 1 microfarad. Now in this circuit these two are in parallel, so we simply add these and we will get 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 3 and this one, so we will get this in series. So equivalent of this we will get as a this formula. So this is the final answer. Thank you.